Hey guys, I'm Leonardo and I'm here with another episode of Tuesday's Tips and Treats, where with every episode, I've got a new tip and treat to share with you. All right, let's get to it. Here's your new Tuesday tip. Today, I'm gonna highlight our saccharin conjugate called anti-CAT-SAP. Now, this is a great tool if you're trying to eliminate cells that express choline acetyltransferase. Now, this is interesting because unlike the usual cell surface receptors that we typically target, choline acetyltransferase is an enzyme. Now, it does spend time at the cell surface, so we can use it to deliver our saccharin payload. Now, a little bit of background, choline acetyltransferase, which we call CAT, catalyzes the synthesis of neurotransmitter acetylcholine and uses choline and acetyl coenzyme A. Now, CAT serves as a specific marker for cholinergic neurons in both the peripheral and central nervous systems. Dysfunction of cholinergic neurons underlies symptoms found in neurological and psychiatric disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Huntington's disease, also Down and Rett syndromes. Now, today, I want to highlight a publication that used our anti-CAT-SAP, and the authors were Crevier-Sorbo et al., and the article was taken from the Journal of Acta Neuropathologica Communications, and the title is Thalamostriatal Degeneration Contributes to Dystonia and Cholinergic Interneuron Dysfunction in a Mouse Model of Huntington's Disease. Now, Huntington's disease, which we call HD, is an autosomal disorder, and it's characterized by involuntary, irregular movement, dystonia, and striatal neuronal loss. Now, recent work suggests that the thalamostriatal system, called TS, which is a major source of glutamatergic input, is abnormally high in HD, and the authors hypothesized that TS dysfunction plays a role in generating motor symptoms and contributes to the degeneration of striatal neuronal subtypes. Now, the authors were able to use our anti-CAT-SAP to ablate the neurons in the TS to better understand the role the neurons played. Now, the results showed the TS contributes to trophic support of striatal interneuron subtypes in the presence of neurodegenerative stress, and TS deafferentiation may be a novel cell non-autonomous mechanism contributing to the pathogenesis of HD. So in the end, their work suggests that treatments aimed at rescuing the TS system may preserve important elements of striatal structure and function and provide symptomatic relief in HD. Okay, the treat for this episode is if you order any size of our conjugate anti-CAT-SAP or its associated kit, and that's catalog Kit 42, we'll go ahead and knock off 20% off the order. And because it's October with Halloween just around the corner, I'm adding a special treat where we'll take 10% off any other conjugate of your choosing. Just use the coupon code reference below. All right, last thing I need you to do, set yourself a reminder, come check us out every Tuesday for your new tip and your new treat. All right, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the next one.